Rigor is a solution and an approach to manage your oilfield rentals and services more effectively and efficiently.
We started Rigor with a very simple idea to bring digital technology to oil and gas. In 2012, I was a CFO of an oilfield rental company. Our managers and accountants struggled with the paperwork tickets, whiteboards, and Excel spreadsheets. It was a nightmare, and we decided to start the company and to build the software, a very simple application for oilfield rentals to track equipment and generate invoices. Today, after many successful implementations with different clients, several industrial applications, and lots of features and modules, Rigor growing into oilfield services ERP. It includes not only rental and services, but also sales, purchases, HR, safety, maintenance, inspections, and many other different modules.
In a nutshell, Rigor is a critical tool that helps an oilfield service and rental company to achieve operational excellence faster.
Our clients very appreciate two things: speed of actions, the speed of developing a new software, and the customization.
As one of our clients put it, we chose Rigor because it's adjustable, flexible, and integrates with other systems, providing us with a competitive advantage.
When you start working with Rigor, you will receive a dedicated account manager and a consultant who will work with your team and step-by-step describe the processes, understand your particular requirements, and set up the system and provide the training for your users.
We treat every client as a partner, and our key responsibility is to listen to you, to understand what your specific needs are, and to configure and design the system the way it benefits you and your team.
When we talk about operations, we usually talking about market differentiator for each particular company, because they only by operations they compete with each other, but only by the way how they provide the service they compete with each other. And this is a very important that operational software should be very flexible, customizable, and adaptable for the client processes, and we do that. After many years, we developed Rigor methodology, which helped us step-by-step implement Rigor successfully. Every user of Rigor has access to Rigor Academy, knowledge base, support, and training.
So if you ask me why would I choose Rigor, I would only say we're human, we're approachable and accessible, and we're here to help.
Customer success is our #1 priority in Rigor, and we are looking forward to working with you.